everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some amazing, quick and easy projects that will be sure to keep you organized at home and now that the kids are back in school. But before we hop into today's video, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Cricut for partnering with me on this video. Thank you so much for your partnership, your sponsorship. You guys are absolutely incredible, and you know that I have been an ambassador of this brand since way back with the original Cricut. If you guys haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out. So when I started thinking about projects that I can share with you guys, now that the kids are back in school, 3 things came across my mind. And I am just so elated with how each of them came out. And I'm going to be sharing with you the process step by step for each one now. My first project was this absolutely amazing birthday box. I used the Cricut to cut out the birthday cake and also to do the labeling of the box. Now, the idea for this birthday box came about when I thought about, when someone's birthday popped up and you were scrambling, looking for a lighter, looking for, candles, looking for the things that you needed to celebrate. I think just putting everything in one box is just so simple, so easy. You could just slide it in a cabinet or in your pantry, and then when birthday time arrived, you can just open it up and get what you need. So let's talk a little bit about the process. This entire project took me about 10 minutes from start to finish. With the Cricut Explorer 3, it cuts super fast, and you're also able to use a tray instead of a mat to cut on, so it makes the project super easy. It actually was finished before I ever got up out of my seat. That is exactly how it happened. However, I found the font that I was looking for in the Cricut design space, and looking for the fonts and letters and things like that is just so much fun to me because there are so many possibilities out there that are really limitless. The next thing is that I used the design space to kind of design exactly what I was looking for, and I like to kind of play around with the design a little bit until I reach that one that feels right for me, that's right for the project. And then finally, I just print. So one of the things that I absolutely love about the Cricut design space is that you can manipulate your design just about any way you want to, and that's exactly what I did with this one, because I wanted the birthday font and I wanted the box to be a different font, and then I wanted the cut for the birthday gift to be all separate. And so by me being able to design this on one mat but cut it at different times, it just really allowed me to be extremely creative. And if you guys just sit down for just a moment and play around with the Cricut, I promise you'll be able to do your first project within maybe 30 minutes to an hour. It is so simple. One of the other things that I love about it is that I'm able to do not only just Cricut projects or organization, but I can also do home decor as well. And you guys will be seeing a video on how I decorated our front porch for the fall using a Cricut. But for today, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys the 3 projects that I did for home organization and for back to school, getting your kids kind of ready for back to school at home. Now, the second project that I did was this amazing tray. This particular homework tray, I went ahead and monogrammed it with my niece's name. I tutor her a lot during the school year, and so within the tray I was able to put her school supplies, her snacks, her iPad, and any books or anything else that you need. It just keeps the kids really engaged and focused, and it makes them feel like they have a special place to kind of go to each day to do their homework. So having that personalized space really makes all the difference. The other thing is that you can use it almost anywhere. You can use it in the car, you can use it in the living room, you can use it at the kitchen table, in their bedroom, on the floor. The possibilities are limitless. And so I love the mobility of this, and the overall design just made it extra cute. I also designed the letters in the Cricut design space as well. I selected the artwork, and then I put it on the base of the tray portion of the desk, and then I put her name on top of it, giving it that double layer effect. The third and final project that I created was this absolutely amazing caddy. Now, in this homework caddy, you're able, or this kudos caddy is what I'm calling it, you can monogram the front of it with the kid's name and whatever they like in their favorite colors, and then on the inside you want to label it for each grade. So for example, I've done K5 through the 12th grade, and then I also have 2 additional folders for the memories and for, you know, any miscellaneous items that you may want to keep. I love this keepsake because it keeps your home from being cluttered as your kids bring home homework and artwork and things that you want to keep, like for Mother's Day cards or birthday cards or whatever it is that they're making in school that you know, want to keep for them over the years. And it kind of keeps it contained in one space. Once your kid graduates from high school, you can put a bow on it, and it can be something that they can keep and cherish forever and pass along to their children and continue that tradition with their children as well. So each one of these projects were super easy. I was able to get all 3 of them done within an hour, and it will definitely help to keep everything more focused and more organized as we go throughout our busy lives in work, in school, and at home. So thank you guys so much again for watching this video. If you're interested in a Cricut and you're loving all the ways that you're able to organize not only your home life but your work life and the kids' school life, definitely check it out. The links are located down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Let me know your favorite project down below and what other folders you would include in your memory box. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about those projects. Let me know which one was your favorite. Was it the birthday box? Was it the homework tray? Or was it the kudos case? Let me know down in the comments below. I look forward to reading each and every one of them. Thank you guys so much again for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. somebody